Hi guys, Tal here. In this video, I'll show you how Cyberark Certificate Manager integrates with Cyberark Identity to enable seamless user SSO. Cyberark Identity is a cloud-based access management platform combining single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, and lifecycle management for privileged accounts. While tools like Okta, Ping, and Microsoft offer similar features, CyberArk Identity stand out with the deep privilege access integration, strong policy control, and smooth connection with the rest of CyberArk ecosystem.
We start our integration, we will navigate to documentation website where very extensive documentation shows integration with different platforms, and we will be focusing on Venafi. Following documentation, you will see clear steps of what needs to be configured on each site. So let's start with a configuration. I have a freshly created tenant on Venafi, and I will navigate to single sign-on section. I also will navigate to CyberArk Identity Administration Portal of newly created tenant. In this video, I will focus on minimum configuration settings to allow our integration. I'm going to create a new user. So we have our user created. The next thing, we're going to create trust between two platforms. For this, I will navigate to Web Applications. I will add a web app. I will navigate and type Venafi, and I will choose OpenID Connect. I'm going to close. Now let's configure a Venafi application. So here I will type Venafi. I don't need to change anything on this screen. I will go to Trust, and this is where we will take all needed configuration. So OpenID client ID, I will copy. I will go here, and I will paste this client ID. Now client secret, not defined on any site. This is something that you can type by yourself. An important thing, it's going to be synchronized between two parts. Issue URL, you will take it from this field. And now we need some information from Venafi platform to copy back to CyberArk. So I will take redirect URL, and redirect URL will go here. As is. And then I will need to take login URL. That is going here under source application URL. Now under tokens, you can add refresh token validity. The next thing, we need to add script for custom claims. And going back to documentation, if I will scroll down, you will take this particular part and you will paste it here. Click on Save. This is all configuration we need on the tokens. The next, we will go and attach Alice to the user for this application. So we can select only Alice, or I can do better. I will just make everybody who will be able to use this application. Click on Save. And this is where we're done with Cyberark part. I'm going back to Verify, and I will click on Test Connection. And you will see that I was able to validate my connection. So I'm going to click on Save. Heads up, once I enable SSO, the local group, local users will not be available to me. Now let's test it with the newly created user. So I will navigate to our tenant. You will see that I'm being redirected. I will type validation code. And I was able to log on to my tenant. SSO. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next one.